Hi guys, it's Sassy B90 and today we're going to be making spooky brownies. First of all, I want to give a shout out to Mary Miller. She made this hat and this apron, which is very special to me. And I just want y'all to know I have a very big surprise at the end. Stay tuned. First, we're gonna start off with milk chocolate brownie mix. What I need to take it out of this, pour it into the big old wide bowl. Now we need 1/4 of water. Right here, pour it into the bowl. Next, what we're going to need is 2/3 of vegetable oil. And next, the eggs. This is how you make normal brownies. But today we are making spooky brownies. So I got some ghosts. And then I got some spiders. JK, it's really chocolate chips. And marshmallows. So we're just gonna pour them in. Gonna pour the marshmallows in. I might have to. And these two. Okay. So next, we gotta go to the mixer. Now it's time to mix it. That was probably a bad idea. As you can see, this is how it's turning out. I'm gonna go one more. Make it faster. Make sure you never put your finger in this, or it's pretty much gonna cut your finger off. Good. Now we need to spray the pan with our friend Pam. Time to put it in. Just a little bit more. Now we're gonna put these ghosts and spiders in the oven. Let's do it. This looks good, but not good enough. So we're gonna put some more ghost on the top. Gonna spread them out. And on the brownies. Ghost on the brownies. Pretty much making it thicker, but not too thick. Still putting some on. Just a little bit more. Looks good. Let's put it back in the oven. It looks good. But now for the big surprise. A unicorn that has sprinkles in it. Let's see what's in the unicorn. Orange and black sprinkles just for Halloween. We're good. Just a little bit more. Just over here. We're good. But now, we're going to dump and make it faster. There we go. Now, just gonna let it cool up. Now we're going to test it out. Pretty good, and it's not just good, it's scary good. And also, don't forget to comment down below that you subscribe and hit the bell and thumbs up. And once again, shout out to Mary Miller. Peace.